In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android device. And what you're going to want to do is go to your profile by selecting the icon down in the bottom right. And from here, you do need to understand that Instagram does not let you individually hide your followers. The only effective method is to make your account private. But before that, if you're on a business or creator account, you do need to switch back to a personal account. To do this, tap the three lines up in the top right, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see an account tools section. Open that up and go ahead and choose switch to personal account. After that's done, go back to the settings and activity page right here and scroll up, and what you're looking for is this account privacy tab. Select it and tick on private account and then hit switch to private, and boom, you will be good to go. Now if someone already does follow you, they are still going to be able to see your follower and following list. If someone doesn't follow you, they cannot see it once your account is private, and there's currently no other setting to hide followers individually, so this is the only working option. But that is how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.